Hey everyone, it's your friend Thinknoodles, and welcome back to Think Reacts for today. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with Wicked Makers now. We're reacting to their YARNABY animatronic they made that can eat people. Now guys, if you're enjoying my reactions or my videos at all, make sure to click the like button and subscribe. You can always unsub later if you end up hating my videos, but I hope that won't happen. Here we go.
A real YARNABY animatronic from Happy Playtime 4.
And just like in the game, our YARNABY is going to be strong enough to eat a person.
After we entered in this whole dog day escape room, it was pretty obvious what you guys wanted to see next. So here's the plan. The most important part of this build is the chomp. So we're gonna figure that out first. And it has to be strong enough to actually bite through.
Whoa, they're like welding. Whoa!
He's completely covered in yarn or rope. Unclear.
Yarn.
We're gonna do some testing.
YARNABY.
It's not just the mouth that's gonna move. We want the whole body to actually lunge towards you as it bites. So we're gonna have to have a good pose and some kind of mechanism inside.
Then we'll build out the body shape.
They went full
fur
custom
and
on this
claws
thing.
And lots of yarn.
Finally, we'll finish up the head and see if it can bite through an actual realistic arm that we're gonna make out of ballistic gel, which is what they use to mimic actual flesh.
Ew, get that out your
YARNABY
nose.
to actually bite something really, really hard, our main challenge is gonna be the mouth. It needs to open and close super fast, but with enough force to actually crush something. This is a miniature bear trap that I found online and 3D printed.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is, don't put your finger in there.
And nope.
Yeah.
Not touch it.
Okay.
My first idea for the mouth is to have it spring loaded. I was inspired by this rat trap. Watch, look at this.
Yeah. Rat traps are so strong,
All right,
those
let's
springs.
test it out.
Okay, glue stick.
Okay, a glue stick. Okay.
Okay, the first test was not even close to strong enough. If we want this to be able to actually eat a person, we're gonna need it to be way stronger, so we added some much bigger rubber bands.
Come on, don't
Okay, so it's just rubber bands.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
That will really hurt.
Can we test it with something that'll actually break?
Okay,
my goodness.
we got some Pringles.
Okay.
We're gonna hold the Pringle like this.
You got this.
Oh.
Yo. Yeah, that would really hurt.
If that was my hand, it's gone.
Yeah,
Straight
no
to the
kidding.
hospital.
Like, dude,
This
that
is
yeah,
not
that
gonna work
would
for
puncture.
YARNABY's
What? That was
Wait, why?
amazing. Why is it not going to work?
Because
It
you
was
gotta load
amazing,
it.
but it's not an animatronic. It just goes, ugh. Like I want to be able to open and close it and all that kind of stuff. Plus, I'm pretty sure if I build an actual full-size version of this with real torsion springs, it's illegal in 14 states.
Wait,
Texas, though.
really?
Anyway, I have another idea. We're gonna build it with servos so that I can have a lot more control.
Before you do that, though,
How are you gonna make it
figure out
snap with a
yarn,
servo like
which
that?
I think is actually ropes. So we started with
I mean,
yarn,
yeah,
and the
I
problem
guess
is they don't really make yarn thick
that's
enough.
thick
you got
enough,
like this
yeah,
stuff,
that makes sense.
And then you got this.
How are you
which
gonna
is
get colored
fuzzy
rope
and
like that,
doesn't
though?
Look right.
That looks
then
weird.
we thought maybe we can combine multiple strands of yarn together into rope. So we made a rope machine.
A what?
The idea is you attach your strings
You
to
ma- oh,
these
they've 3D
hooks
printed
and then
it.
join them together at the opposite end. And then when you turn the gear in the middle, it rotates all
Oh, they're having
three
the kids
strings
do
at
it.
the same time.
Okay.
As the strings wind up, it makes them want to twist together. That
Okay.
was a failure because it just
looks-
compresses the yarn and it doesn't
Okay.
get any thicker. So now we're
Okay.
looking at rope. We have
how are you gonna
like
oh.
a jute rope, we have polypropylene, and we have cotton rope.
Cotton's
This is
gonna be
like
the one you
big
paint.
cotton rope, and I would love to
Yeah.
use this, but it's like a million pounds.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that is
So
heavy.
this one is out. Oh, these are out. Okay. Now we're left with these three. This is pretty light, and I like how stiff it is, but it's plastic, so we're not going to be able to dye
color
it.
it.
So if we wanted to use this, we'd have to spray paint it. I don't think that's going to
that's
look
not gonna
good.
work.
So this is out.
Throw it.
We're left with two. We got our hemp rope and our cotton rope. Now, I did a dye test with both of these, and let me show you what
cotton's
happens.
gonna take
this
more
is the
color.
cotton rope.
Wait.
This is the jute rope.
No.
They were in the same dye bath.
Really?
This dyed beautifully. So even
I
though
would've
it's called YARNABY,
thought the
winner
complete
is
opposite.
rope. The only problem now is we have to order way more of this stuff.
Okay.
I made a miniature version of YARNABY, which we're calling Mini Bee, and I'm gonna
Mini
use
Bee.
this to figure out what pose it's gonna be in. This is just made from wire and some pieces of plastic, but it really lets me get an idea of like what angle the arms and legs are gonna be at and stuff, and I can transfer all of that over to the metal afterwards.
Okay. I guess that
Okay,
makes sense.
what I
Build a
want to
scale
go
model
for is to
first.
have them kind of go like this, and kind of like
that
lunge
was weird.
forward.
It's kind of weird.
Now I just have to figure out how to make this out of steel.
Get to it, bro.
Yarnaby's endoskeleton will be made out of steel so that it can hold up all the weight of the head and the fur and the ropes. We also want to add a motor to the body so it gives it kind of a lunging attack motion. To make the joints move, we're using rod end bearings that will attach to the top of the arms and legs. This allows
Their
the
production
shoulders and the
value
hips
has
to
gone
move
up a
in multiple
lot in
axes.
only like a couple of years.
For the ankles, we'll use straight hinges so it only rotates forward, which is exactly what we want. If this all works, Yarnaby won't just bite, but he'll be able to lunge towards you as he does it.
You know, I didn't realize we were making a Pomeranian-sized Yarnaby.
The skeleton makes it look really small because it's going to have a whole body around it and then like a huge amount of yarn. I hope this works. Are you ready to put the legs on?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's so
that slides on.
Whee!
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure what I'm looking at though. Those are his legs or?
The black hole of the floor.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's on there. That's cool.
Now what? He needs like his feet, right?
So these are gonna basically go on like this. Huh? How are we gonna get these on?
What if we make a little table for him?
A table?
Yeah, like something to sit him on.
Okay.
Hey!
I made a jig.
Nice.
A jig.
Okay.
Cool, that helps you hold things in place while you build. Okay.
This
Oh,
thing
he's
will
gonna
stay
hang
put.
from it?
Now
or-
we can put that on here.
Oh, that's super cool. That table, like he put those things on it so to hold it right in place because of these holes here, and you can adjust how close it. That's cool.
This kind of
Never
goes
seen anything
here.
like that. Oh, that's really smart.
Why is it so far away?
That is not even close.
Bro built the jig too tall.
Okay, I fixed it.
All right.
I just chopped off some of the middle
remolded it.
and made it a little shorter.
Good job, man.
Come on, fit. Oh, look at that.
There.
Perfect.
Boom.
Perfect.
We could just edit out all that other stuff like it never happened.
Never happened.
Yeah,
Except
right.
we're not gonna, because mistakes happen.
Yes.
Okay, I welded the feet to the legs with the
I
hinges.
like watching their mistakes.
And look at this. I added the beginning of a frame, and now these are connected, and they're gonna move.
Oh,
I think that's
I
gonna work. Let's do the
understand.
front.
Okay, I think I can see it now. Okay.
It moves. Look.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Ah. All right.
Oh man.
Mouth test number 2.
For the second mouth test, I decided to try servos.
You had to put eyes
They've
on
worked
it.
for us well before and can be really strong, but
they
even
can.
with this small amount of weight, my prototype wasn't even working. So there was no chance this was going to work at the big size.
And it's not gonna
So,
bite
all right,
anybody's
we
hand
did
off.
We did the bear trap method.
Definitely uncontrollable.
Yeah. We've got the servo method, nowhere near strong enough. How do we get something that we can
That's what I was
control,
gonna
but
say.
is also ultra powerful?
Pneumatics?
Pneumatics. Like we did on Ink Demon.
They did the
Those are
Ink Demon?
powerful. That could work.
Yeah.
They've done so
Hey,
many that I've missed, and
Right?
like,
I fixed the
it's so
legs so
scary.
that they don't lift up anymore. I just had to move them more like in line. And I added this little mount because the next thing we're gonna do is make it motorized.
Awesome.
This is called a wiper motor, and it's going to give Yarnaby
yeah.
a ton
We
of
just saw
power
one.
and make him lunge forward with just the press of a button.
with the Huggy Wuggy.
I got the new Amon motor controller from Purgatory Props, and this actually controls the speed of the motor and not just which direction it's going, so here we go.
How fast is it gonna go?
It's not working.
Oh. I thought it was gonna go crazy, like have a seizure.
Have we ever had it work on the first time? No.
Okay,
never.
come
There's
on.
always
On the
the
first time.
the motion sensor's not plugged in.
Okay, I gotta turn this on, and now we can control it. Oh,
There it goes.
I'm gonna let it
Okay.
go real slow at first.
Okay. All
All right,
right.
now make it launch.
That is so cool.
Make it go faster. Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool,
Faster.
right?
Oh,
That's
there.
amazing.
There
I mean,
you
I'm not
go.
gonna lie, he kind of also was twerking a bit.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying before. When he did the demo, that's exactly what I was thinking before. Okay.
Oh. Oh. What was that?
Too much
Sounded
torque.
like this.
Oh, it's this thing. Nothing's wrong. It's easy fix.
I was using a plastic part here to test it,
Yeah.
and it snapped. Easy fix though, swapped it out for a metal arm, and it's all good.
Making a body is hard, but
Yeah.
making a body where you have all this mechanical stuff moving around inside is even
Yeah.
harder.
Right, because you have to
Got
keep it all in one
I think
piece.
what I'm gonna have to do is make like a wire frame, kind of similar to how we did on Catnap.
Yeah, it's got a whole
This
shape.
epoxy putty will hold our main
Yep.
supports in place, so I can build a wire frame that gives us plenty of space inside. That way, when we cover this all up, it still moves freely.
Whoa. Yeah, and it's probably super heavy already with all that steel.
Next, the duct tape covers everything up and keeps the fur away from all the moving parts. Getting fur stuck in a moving motor is bad news. Ask us how we know that.
I just thought of something.
Yes.
So the head is gonna go here.
Yeah.
I'm worried that if it's not enough space right here and you cover all of this up too much, I'm not gonna be able to do it. So can we like pause?
I was finally on the body.
I know.
All right, head take 3.
Okay.
What have we figured out?
Well, I made this.
It's very Saw-esque.
Do you want to play
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like medieval torture.
So this is half a sphere, and I made it out of steel, and we're gonna need this thing to be really strong if it's gonna crush things in its mouth. The steel has to be strong, but also this is a pneumatic air cylinder, and it's gonna push air through that's like really gonna put a lot of force to make this thing close.
I like it. I think the steel and the air like together is gonna be really powerful.
Air and steel.
I hope so too. Let's build the other half and find out. Bending metal into a perfect circle is really hard to do, and it takes
you have one of
special
those.
tools, and I don't have those tools, so I'm just using stuff that's a circle to bend it.
Oh, they have
it's really
them now,
easy
though,
when you're making stuff to be
think.
like, oh, I don't have the right tool, I can't do that. Just do it, just bend it, do whatever, you know? Step on it, run it over with your car, doesn't matter, make a circle.
Okay.
Making the first half of the spear head wasn't too bad, but making the other side
actually
to
really
match
good
it
at it,
perfectly
though,
was
yeah.
actually
I mean,
really
that's-
hard and took me like half the day. Finally got
That's
it though
impressive,
after a
though.
lot of bending, cutting, and welding. It was finally time to test it, so we hooked up all of our pneumatic stuff like the air hoses,
Oh, geez,
controllers,
this is gonna
and our
shatter.
air compressor.
Okay,
I'm a little afraid, I'm gonna be honest. This is intense.
this is intense. I have the pressure really low, it's at 30 PSI.
Okay.
Eye
Sounds
protection
high
on.
to me. I don't know. Yes.
Ooh,
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
it works.
That was the low? That's amazing!
Yeah, 30 PSI sounds like a lot.
If you put your finger in there and did
It's
this,
gonna hurt.
it would break your finger off.
You think?
It's pretty intense.
We need to test it.
Yeah.
You
What
put
can
your
we test?
finger, like a pencil or
What do you
something.
got there?
Wait,
I
a
got
smiling critter. What are you
smiling
doing?
critters here, so we're gonna try this first.
Okay.
Oh no!
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Open wide.
Okay.
Okay, no, it's not as bad
Here,
as
I
I
want
thought.
to turn
Okay.
the pressure up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's not as bad as I thought.
The whole table shakes.
Go!
Okay. All right,
Last
it's
thing.
getting there.
Oh, a banana.
Okay.
Okay,
All
ready?
right. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yep. It's pretty strong.
This did just get me thinking, though. Huh. Yarnaby has teeth.
Yeah. Yeah.
It does.
So
How are you gonna
gonna
put
get them?
teeth in
Yeah,
here
'cause
and
it
still
won't
make it
fit now.
chomp?
That may have been an oversight. Where do his teeth go?
inside his
Yeah,
mouth.
because like
but,
his mouth opens, right?
Yeah.
And suddenly he has these giant teeth.
Yes,
Right.
but the teeth
But-
are like
yeah,
right
where
on
do
the
they
edge.
go?
So when the mouth
Yeah.
closes, where like
There's
there's
true.
nowhere for them to go.
Physics wise.
This is game
IRL
design tricks.
Yeah. Game design
This is
tricks.
not going
They
to
can
work
do
in
whatever
real
they
life.
want.
We're going to have to.
Yeah.
We solved one massive problem and revealed another.
Yes.
Well, in the meantime, though, why don't we take that whole head and put it on here so that we can keep going with this?
I like it. Hey, there's our boy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
it's so
Look how heavy it is.
You can have it back now.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
Okay.
All attached.
Okay,
He
so
looks
can I
really
finish
cool
the
now.
body?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can't do the
It kinda
neck
looks like an
yet,
ant,
though,
but-
because I'm still figuring out, you know, how the rest of the head is going to work.
Okay.
So just leave me some space right here.
Okay, well that's okay because I will move on to the feet. Look at these awesome claws I printed for the feet. So I did these with resin
Whoa,
using the
those are
Formlabs
huge.
printer, and they are so pretty.
That's amazing.
But he's gonna have huge feet.
Yeah.
Because they're so big, I'm starting with a big block of foam to take up some space.
Okay.
Then I can use some aluminum foil to create the main shape of the foot.
Huh. I
Next,
thought they
I
would
can
use the
just glue
foam like they
claws
were using
right
before.
onto the aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil. Huh. Oh wow.
That looks
Even the
not
broken
like
claw, that's
tin
cool.
foil. That looks amazing.
I used foam clay on top and just sculpted it. I don't know. I
You
made
just
it.
great.
sculpted it.
Just sculpted
That's all you
it.
got to do, you guys. Just
Yeah.
sculpt it.
I mean, look, half the sculpting happens in the tin foil, and then this is just like a shell
Smooth
over
it out.
We've got pool noodles, and y'all know what that means. Time to make the legs and wrap them with even more
It
duct
really
tape.
is coming together.
Then we can add the fur.
actually now. All right. Okay.
Look at that majestic fur.
That's right.
It's very shiny.
It is very shiny.
Perfectly
It
colored.
looks a lot like the Huggy Wuggy fur, actually, but
It
just
is
different
very
color.
You're right. I actually love it.
The basic shape on the legs is done. I added a little bit of bulk here because his legs flare out towards the end, and now it's time for fur.
I'm basically just hot gluing the fur onto the body, but the tricky part is, since it moves, the fur can't just be one big piece. We have to glue it on in multiple parts and leave room for the joints.
So she actually put the fur
And now our
underneath
little
where she's
Yarny
putting the
boy
yarn.
is starting to look so cute.
Like even though most of it will be covered with yarn.
Remember the rope that we're going to use to make Yarnaby?
Sorry, rope.
Well, I got more.
How much did you get?
She had to
A
get
lot more.
No, even
How
more
much
than
rope
that.
is it actually going to take to make Yarnaby? Let's see how much we got.
Okay.
We got 150 feet of this.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yep.
Now what do we do with it?
Now we got to cut it and dye it.
We can't just cut the rope because
Oh yeah,
it'll
because I guess
unravel.
his
So first we
the
had to
yarn
tie
part
little
is just
strings
his
around
mane,
each
right?
end,
So that's why
two
she.
per piece.
Yeah.
This was about
need as much as I was
350
thinking.
little ties, and it took forever.
Jamie,
Wow, that's
are you
tedious. That's so tedious.
Okay. Man, I hope this is enough.
I counted how many colors Yarnaby has, and there's a lot.
Yup.
The dye needs super hot water to work best, so we got a bunch of batches going in some
Hot
buckets
water.
and got to work.
Interesting.
The rope turns color pretty quickly, but then it takes a really long time to dry. So we set it out in the sun for a while.
Those look so good.
They
really,
are
really, really
beautiful, but I don't know if this is going to be enough.
Yeah, I'm
You
not
don't
sure
think that's
either.
gonna be enough?
I don't know.
There's like 1,000 pieces.
There's 160 pieces.
Please be enough. Yarnaby's mouth has to close all the way, but he also has giant teeth that have to
And the mini
not
teeth, too.
smash into each other
Right.
while still being strong enough to bite through stuff. Oh, and don't forget the other miniature mouth inside the mouth that has to be in there and not mess up anything. I'm gonna need some help.
It took about a
Okay.
week, but with help from our friend Beardless Props, we came up with this, which will be
Ah, so
easier
it's
to
got
explain
holes. Yeah,
once
yeah,
we build
yeah.
it.
I can see
There are
it.
two spheres that
They
go on
fit
the
into
outside
the
of the
holes.
metal, which will be the outer head, as well as the two eyes and teeth that'll all go on the outside.
All right, so the outer head stuff is printing, but for the inside
How many
of the
3D
mouth,
printers
the
they
gums
have?
and the
They've got like
teeth,
6
we're
of
gonna
them.
print those on the Formlabs resin printer because they're gonna come out way better. The problem is, it's a really difficult print, so I'm calling in some more help.
This is our friend Henry from the channel Derailed 3D. He makes all kinds of
Whoa.
off-the-rails projects combining 3D printing, art, and engineering. Not only is he
Dude,
one of
this
the
is like my
smartest guys
new
we know when it
favorite
comes to
type
resin
of
printing,
videos
but
to
he
watch
also
is,
works
like,
at
all these-
Formlabs, so he's like the perfect person to ask for help with this printer.
Like,
He was able to show
or
me exactly how to
IRL
rotate and
videos.
support Yarnaby's gums in preform so that everything prints perfectly. He also recommended we use this durable resin because durable is impact resistant, and there's gonna be a
Oh,
lot of
'cause
those.
smash,
A lot of
smash, smash.
impact.
And it turns out he was also working on a crazy project with teeth and had some leftover tooth resin that actual dentists
Tooth
use.
resin?
It's super lifelike and really expensive, but he had some left over and offered to print
What?
Yarnaby's teeth for us
That's
and
for your
ship them.
fillings,
Not sure
right?
what crazy
Oh,
unhinged
that
project
is
he's making yet, but we'll link his channel below so you can keep an eye out for it.
so creepy.
While we waited for the teeth, we printed the gums overnight with the durable resin, and everything came out really nice. We gave them a quick wash and then let them sit outside to cure, and man, these things came out amazing. I just really hope it's all strong
gotta
enough
paint
for
it, yeah.
Yarnaby's mouth.
Hey, those look pretty good.
Thank you.
Look what we got.
Are those the teeth?
He overnight shipped
I
them
am
to
very
us.
excited.
Oh,
So this is actual, like, tooth resin. That's so cool.
and it's very hard too.
Well,
This
yeah,
is what
I mean,
they make
it's-
real teeth out of.
Yeah,
It's
or- is it
basically
not-
a real tooth.
Oh, so this is
The
what they make
idea
crowns out
here
of. This is what
is
they make
that
crowns out
every
of.
other tooth,
Not fillings.
there's
or
a
maybe
hole,
both.
and then on the other side, it'll like
should fit perfectly
into
like
a
a
hole,
puzzle.
like that. And when the mouth closes, you won't see it, so it doesn't matter. But in reality, the teeth will like disappear
Fit in,
into these
yeah.
holes. So now we have to glue all these in and make sure that they're aligned so that all the holes close.
Right. And they fit. This is
I'm very
really
excited to see if
precise.
Yarnaby can actually eat a person.
Yes.
But to do that, we need a person.
I'm not
Okay.
volunteering. No, he's not gonna eat my
Use one of the
arm.
kids.
How are we gonna know if it can eat a person
Okay.
without a person?
Okay, well, on Mythbusters, when they wanted
Yes.
to simulate a
Thank
body,
you.
they would use ballistics gel.
Thank
So-
you for referencing
we got.
Mythbusters. This
So how
is
do we
what
get an
I
arm?
think
We're
of you
gonna make a
guys. So
mold. So I think we can make a mold of my arm. I do volunteer for that.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go make a mold.
Okay. So we're gonna do something called life casting. Have you ever done this before?
No,
No.
definitely not.
No, I have not either.
casting?
I've been life casted, but I've never done it.
You've been life casted before?
I did, yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. This is my face.
This is your face.
It is.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was
Oh, she
fun.
was
That was
live
done
casting.
with alginate though, and I think we're gonna do a little bit of a different process for this.
So we've never done it before, so we brought in somebody who has. This is Greg.
Hi.
Hi,
I've
Greg.
never been here
Dude,
before.
his
This is
hair is
amazing.
awesome.
I feel like I need a code to get out of this room. We're going to use a product from Smooth On that's going to keep a mold for many pours. And that's hopefully what we're going to do here today.
Awesome. Let's get started.
All right, we have a working time of
So
about
they can
6
use this
minutes
over and
here.
over.
All right.
Put it in position.
Are you gonna do the
Oh,
horns?
she's doing yes, dude.
Oh, yeah, awesome. How's that feel?
Weird.
We want to just really get it in, break the surface tension.
It's like I'm being frosted, like a cake.
If we
Greg
don't work
builds haunted
fast, this stuff
houses.
will basically kick. It'll get too hard.
You want to move until you get that tackiness.
All right, you can kick any time now.
You just have to wait.
It may look fast in the video, but this took hours to do, and Jamie had to sit there the entire time without moving
Why do
her
they make
hand.
it- what's the
It was
blue?
crazy.
Now you just have to
How
sit
should
here
she get
for
her
a
arm
while.
out of there?
Yep.
Is that thing heavy?
It is so heavy, yes, and I feel very restricted, but it's
Yeah.
all good.
That's amazing, but we're not done. We have to basically put like a cast on it, right?
Yeah, basically
Okay.
this silicone will blow out when we put the ballistics gel in there. But we want to make sure that we keep the form.
Oh, so
so
you
we're
gotta
going to
keep
put
it-
this
you gotta keep it
cast
hard
on there.
form.
So it's
Oh
like
my
the same thing
goodness.
like if you break your arm and you get a cast.
Exactly.
Like the same, because it holds it in place.
Exactly, but it's going to come off much sooner. When we pour the ballistic
would
gel,
hope.
it'll keep it nice and firm. It'll keep that shape.
Okay. Oh, so they put that back
All
over
right.
it. How's she getting
it
that
coming
off,
out?
though?
I don't know.
Wiggle while you can.
Oh.
Oh. Hey, your hand still works.
No.
Awesome.
Okay.
Oh, I'm free.
That worked out really good.
All right.
Great,
Now pour the ballistics
Hey,
gel
man.
inside.
This is
Thank
great. I
you.
can't wait to see the ballistics gel.
We have our mold, but now we have
Yeah.
to put something in the mold.
Reading the instructions, this is actual jello.
Law enforcement grade, yeah.
It's really thick jello.
Yeah.
Flesh jello.
We
Flesh
got our arm
Jell-O.
mold ready for pouring, and we even got some realistic bones made out of resin. But
Okay.
the hand wouldn't fit in the mold, so we just did the arm bones.
Yeah,
The
because
water
it's
was
because
heated
of the
to
way she
exactly
did her fingers. Yeah.
140 degrees, and we followed all the directions and mixed up the ballistics gel until it was ready to pour.
While the ballistics gel sets, it's time to finish the head. The 3D printed shell got painted, and then we used steel epoxy to attach it to the metal frame. Please don't fall off.
Oh, beautiful.
We also resin printed the
A little-
weird little
little dude,
mini
yeah.
mouth for inside his other mouth.
Paint
And
it
that
up.
also got a really nice paint job so that everything would blend together inside.
Yo, that's
Once all the pieces
sick.
were ready,
Oh my
we started
goodness.
attaching them all to the head. This was
Oh,
our
they fit.
last chance to make sure everything was straight, and even though my original metal spheres are not exactly circles, amazingly we
Close
managed to
enough.
fit all the pieces in there and then
Jeez, it
fill in the
looks
gaps
so
with clay.
good.
Jamie worked her magic to make everything weathered.
She's really
and
good
old
at,
and
like,
gross,
distressing
and then,
things.
Remember those eyes and teeth we 3D printed earlier?
Yeah,
Those got glued
there
on
we
as
go.
well.
Oh, his goofy little teeth.
A few more finishing
So
touches
cute.
and Yarnaby is almost done.
Oh man, look at our boy.
He's so cute.
It's Yarna boy.
Yarn
Yarn boy.
I love how these
She hasn't put the yarn
characters,
on
they
yet.
look so cute, but they're also
He's
like
bold.
Oh, look at that. We have a lot of work to do. We still have to put all this rope
Yep.
onto there. But can we test it first?
yes.
Okay, first things first, let's test the motor part.
Okay.
And then next we'll test the head, okay?
Okay.
So plug this in.
And go.
Oh, it's too heavy. Oh, there it goes.
Come on.
Oh, careful.
We need a whole.
We need to like
Dude.
clamp
down.
the back down. Okay.
Imagine if that thing launched off. They would have
Okay,
lost
he's clamped
everything.
down.
Oh,
Let's
I
try
bet they
that
were
again.
so scared.
Come
It
on.
might be too
Oh, there it goes.
heavy. Okay. Oh, he's just worried about the speed. There it is.
Okay.
That seems to work. If you
Oh,
can
I
make
get
it
so nervous
open
for these
at that
things.
time.
It's working though, right?
It's working.
Yeah.
The motor's working very hard.
Yes.
Yeah, I was gonna say that thing is.
move this.
This is not a
heavy.
happy motor.
That works.
Yes.
Test number 1 complete.
Woo.
Okay. Okay, it's pressurized. Here we go.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
It works.
That was awesome.
Okay, we have to crush something
Yeah,
now.
you do.
You're
You
gonna see if
definitely
you can crush a can.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yes,
man.
it will.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, yes, it will.
Oh!
Dude, that's a can. Oh, it punctured it.
The teeth punctured the aluminum can.
Did a test, and I think the hot glue is gonna work okay.
That's legitimate.
Seems pretty strong.
Seems strong.
Okay.
Okay, now do that 180 times.
60 times.
No problem.
After an absolutely insane amount of time and hard work, Yarnaby was finally done.
Yo! Yeah, see there.
Gel
Okay,
was
so I
also
thought it
ready,
went over his
so
whole body.
we
Yeah.
tried to demold it.
So you can't really see the fur underneath, but oh no!
Yeah, after all that, it broke. We were supposed to cut the mold to get it all out.
Greg totally warned us we wouldn't be able to get this out. He's laughing right now. If you're watching, Greg, you were right.
You were right.
We're gonna try to just super glue the hand to the arm, so hopefully that works.
It's kind of cool.
Good enough, right?
It's fine. I mean,
We'll just glue it.
Sure.
It's fine.
can you glue Jello together?
Time to get Yarnaby ready.
All that work and you broke it. Okay. I love how they use the sound effects. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's really good. Give him something. He wants to eat. Put the arm in.
Well, Yarnaby works. Did the super glue work? It did. Not ideal, but hey, we have an arm again.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Can Yarnaby eat a person?
Oh, he
I
looks
say
really
yes.
good.
I think so. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Yeah, those teeth.
It's not
Oh
working.
no.
It never worked.
Look at the lab coats and everything, dude.
It was the wiring again.
Okay.
Test number 2.
Who did the
Okay, ready?
wiring, huh? Mm-hmm. There it goes. Oh, jeez.
And
Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
I hear it
Oh,
squishing.
I can see the teeth
It's not letting
inside.
go of this.
No.
The teeth are inside. Oh, yo, and it.
Full separation.
Okay, and it didn't.
Destroyed.
It bit
It did
the
not.
hand off?
Yes,
Yeah, it bit
did.
the hand
Wait, we
off.
need like some tongs.
You lost the whole
So
finger.
it's
the finger off.
where it
Good boy,
broke.
Yarnaby.
It did not break where they super glued it. It actually
If you're
broke.
curious,
It actually.
the super glue stayed. Everything
Yeah,
else got
exactly.
destroyed. So that didn't end up mattering at all. Can Yarnaby eat a person?
Yes.
100%.
Oh! What? It caught it in the air. Oh man.